Here are the professional translations of the provided briefings, organized by topic. #briefing. Cathie Wood deepens AI bets, predicts great acceleration via tech convergence. March 18, 2026, Cathie Wood, head of ARK Invest, is once again the focal point of the AI sector. Her recent actions and statements suggest that AI is not only the core driver of current markets but also a critical variable reshaping global productivity and geopolitical landscapes. Core investment dynamics, buying the dip and cross-sector positioning. Amidst market volatility, Wood maintained a staunchly bullish stance, spending $2 million to buy AI stocks following significant price corrections, consistent with her strategy of buying the dip on high-growth tech. Simultaneously, capital market enthusiasm for AI leaders remains high. Firms like Eightco have raised $125 million to target top-tier players like OpenAI, further validating the sector's fundraising prowess. Technical insights, 5 technologies triggering the Great Acceleration. In her latest assessment, Wood noted that AI does not exist in isolation, it is deeply resonating with 4 other frontier technologies: robotics, multiomic sequencing, public blockchains, and energy storage. This cross-domain fusion is triggering an unprecedented Great Acceleration, with impacts far exceeding any single technological breakthrough. She emphasized that AI-driven productivity gains are already manifesting, and this leap in efficiency will be the core engine of economic growth over the next decade. Macro vision, AI's impact on society and geopolitics. Beyond economic value, Wood offered a forward-looking perspective. The application of AI in military and strategic decision-making could shorten the duration of wars. She believes that through more precise forecasting and resource allocation, AI can alter conflict dynamics, thereby influencing the global security landscape at a macro level. #briefing, Demis Hassabis and the evolution of AGI. March 18, 2026, as competition in the AI field reaches a fever pitch, Google DeepMind CEO Demis Hassabis is back in the global spotlight. Recent in-depth reports outline his multidimensional persona, defined by technical ambition, philosophical depth, and strategic maneuvering. Core vision and philosophical roots. Hassabis' influence is dissected in Sebastian Mallaby's new book, The Infinity Machine, which chronicles his journey from chess prodigy to AI leader. His success stems not just from technical talent but from deep philosophical inquiry. Hassabis has shared how books from his student years shaped his understanding of the nature of intelligence, a mindset highly relevant to current AI ethics debates. Strategic maneuvering. In the rivalry with OpenAI, Hassabis maintains a distinct stance. He raised 3 points of skepticism regarding Sam Altman's ultimate goal, arguing that certain visions are unattainable under current computing architectures and resource constraints. Recently, Google named its London office Platform 37, a tribute to both King's Cross Station and AlphaGo's famous Move 37 against Lee Sedol, symbolizing the pursuit of machine intelligence that transcends human intuition. #briefing, NVIDIA leading the AI industrial revolution. March 18, 2026, NVIDIA has announced major milestones, marking AI's transition from general computing into deep sectors like knowledge work, industrial manufacturing, edge networking, and space exploration. NVIDIA launched an open agent development platform to spark the next industrial revolution in knowledge-intensive industries. In the industrial software space, NVIDIA is partnering with global giants to integrate AI into design and manufacturing, accelerating the fusion of the physical world with digital twins. Furthermore, AT&T, Cisco, and NVIDIA are collaborating on network-driven enterprise edge AI solutions. Most breakthroughs involve space computing, as NVIDIA sends AI into orbit to provide onboard processing for satellites. For consumers, the release of DLSS 5 sets a new standard for AI-driven visual fidelity in gaming. #briefing, Meta's AI strategy and marketplace upgrades. March 18, 2026, Meta is currently adopting a strategy of accelerated application but foundational caution. Product level. Facebook Marketplace received a major AI upgrade, introducing Meta AI tools that automate item descriptions, image optimization, and smart pricing to enhance the efficiency of second-hand trading. Foundational level Meta is showing more restraint. According to the New York Times, Meta has delayed the release of its next-gen large language model due to performance concerns, ensuring it maintains a competitive edge upon launch. Additionally, senior engineers note that leadership in AI can shift within months, a volatility that is prompting top talent to reevaluate their career paths. #briefing, Google AI Dynamics. March 18, 2026, Google is permeating its AI capabilities across search, navigation, research, and defense, while balancing product logic with social responsibility. User experience Google search is increasingly AI-driven, though analysis shows a tendency to keep traffic within Google's ecosystem. The new Ask Maps feature allows for complex natural language interaction for travel assistance. Boundaries and defense Google officially shut down its controversial AI medical advice feature to maintain the integrity of healthcare information. However, in scientific research, Google AI is acting as a co-scientist. On the macro level, Google maintains a dominant position in defense technology, holding its ground against AI startups for Pentagon contracts. #briefing, Meta's shift toward AR and cross-platform social. March 18, 2026, Meta has announced a strategic pivot in hardware and software. Hardware Meta is deepening its offline presence with a flagship store on Fifth Avenue in NYC to strengthen its lead in AR and smart glasses. Lightweight AR glasses with integrated AI are becoming the consumer preference over bulky headsets. Software Horizon Worlds will officially end VR mode support in June, transitioning to flat-screen-only access. This aims to lower hardware barriers and increase active users across mobile and PC. #briefing, privacy controversy surrounding Meta smart glasses. March 18, 2026, as Meta smart glasses gain market share, the tension between tech evolution and social ethics is intensifying. Privacy storm critics and regulators are concerned about data boundaries in AI learning. Allegations that Meta employees might view private user videos have triggered official investigations. The U.S. Senate and Epic are also questioning plans for facial recognition integration, fearing the end of public anonymity. Law enforcement reports that immigration authorities are using Meta glasses for operations have sparked protests from human rights groups, who warn of the risks of real-time surveillance and tech abuse. #briefing, Mark Zuckerberg's recent developments. March 18, 2026, Mark Zuckerberg finds himself at the center of corporate and personal scrutiny. Zuckerberg is leading a radical AI pivot, including large-scale layoffs to streamline for an AI-driven growth model. However, his billion-dollar talent acquisition spree has been criticized for failing to yield immediate business advantages. Public image Zuckerberg's recent style shift is being interpreted by experts as a rebranding of power symbols. Legally, he recently faced grieving parents in court regarding the negative impacts of social platforms, fueling debates over Meta's regulatory responsibilities. #briefing, XAI and Elon Musk, restructuring amidst turmoil. March 18, 2026, Elon Musk's XAI is in a period of upheaval. Technical and personnel Musk admitted that XAI's initial architecture was improperly built, necessitating a total rebuild. This has led to the departure or firing of several co-founders. Reports suggest dissatisfaction with XAI's progress in AI-assisted coding. Legal risks XAI faces lawsuits alleging that its chatbot, Grok, was used to generate illegal CSAM, child sexual abuse material. Hardware Despite the turmoil, Musk announced that Tesla's Terafab AI chip project will launch within a week to provide the necessary compute for his AI ambitions. #briefing, Sam Altman, intelligence as a utility and public backlash. March 18, 2026, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is championing the concept of intelligence as a utility, predicting that AI will eventually be supplied like water or electricity. Social impact. Altman admitted that AI is disrupting the balance between labor and capital, with no clear solution yet for the unprecedented impact on employment. Public relations. Altman faced backlash on social media for a post thanking programmers, which critics called tone-deaf given the threat AI poses to coding jobs. His personal reputation also faced friction following aggressive verbal confrontations from cultural elites at high-profile events. Briefing, Ilya Sutskever and the AGI power struggle. March 18, 2026, former OpenAI chief scientist Ilya Sutskever remains central to the AGI debate. Technical risk. Researchers warn that AI thinking text often fails to reflect actual reasoning, the hidden reasoning phenomenon, validating Sutskever's long-standing concerns about AI alignment and transparency. Legal and talent. As lawsuits over the definition of AGI continue, Sutskever's departure has triggered a talent reshuffle. The exodus of top researchers to start new firms reflects deep ideological divides among the tech elite regarding the path to AGI. Briefing, OpenAI, IPO sprints and commercial restructuring. March 18, 2026, OpenAI is transitioning from tech pioneer to commercial giant. The company has begun IPO preparations for the end of the year, positioning ChatGPT as a productivity tool. Following a $110 billion funding round, OpenAI has appointed a new infrastructure head to lead its Stargate compute strategy. To diversify revenue, OpenAI is testing ad management tools and increasing transparency regarding data usage to satisfy regulators. Briefing, DeepMind, from Genie to global ecosystems. March 18, 2026, Google DeepMind continues to lead AI from theory to application. Innovation. The release of Genie, an interactive world simulator, allows for the creation of virtual worlds from single prompts, a paradigm shift for gaming and robotics. Global impact. DeepMind is expanding AI education in Africa to bridge the digital divide and supporting European hackathons in Stockholm. These efforts aim to explore the boundaries between human intuition and machine algorithms through high-intensity competition.